Hello again. You may want to know where to start your exhibition. I'm going to tell you. It's better first to start from choosing your favorite theme. Because one way or another, you're going to base your exhibition on a theme. We have practically 6 themes. Core theme, which is knowledge and the knower. And then 5, language, technology, religion, indigenous societies, and politics. So, which is your favorite? You should have one favorite. Or if you hate them all, you should have one least disliked. So choose that one. And what is your, if you're still confused, I'm going to help you. What is your favorite subject? Literature, business, economics, politics, history, philosophy, psychology, social sciences, biology, computer science, chemistry, design, physics, sports, mathematics, and arts. Which one? You should have 1, 2, or 3. So you know that each of these subjects that you may have or not at your school and your program belong to one of the themes. I mean, it can go under one of the themes. So that's your theme. What can be an object? That's a good question. Anything with real world use, and their photographs. So what does it mean? Anything with real world use. It means concepts cannot be objects. You cannot use mathematics as an object. You cannot use education. You can't use, even I see many times the students choose their IA, for example, biology internal assessment. Internal assessment is not an object. The device that you use, it is, and so on. So tweets are really good, really good sources. News report and announcement. You can have just a screenshot of a website, of a news website, for example, news agency, and use it. And how many objects? Your exhibition needs 3 objects, but you should choose 5 that seem to match the chosen IA prompt. Why? Because in the process of forming and developing the commentaries and justifications for the inclusion of the objects, you will find out that, 2 of them are not that much suitable. That was all about where to start. So what's next? Which IA prompt to choose? And I'm going to tell you on the next lesson.